Hello guys, I'm IK and you are watching my channel Encapsulate by IK. So today we are unboxing another Nike basketball shoe. So let's unbox. So at the side of the box you can see the detail. So it's a Nike Air Versitile 4 NBK. Comes in a black metallic cool gray color. So at the bottom of the shoe you can see further details about the Nike logos, just do it branding, and the Nike Air Show sticker. So let's unbox. So here we can see a very beautiful black color Nike Air Versitile 4 basketball shoe. So this shoe was provided a complete geared functionality for the basketball player. As far as the impact cushioning is concerned, it has a visible, you can see Nike Air cushioning, which will help your heels on a hard landing. So here you can see a Nike Air cushioning. As far as the ankle supports are concerned, you can see the high collars with padding fits, which are closely around your ankle for more comfort and support. So here you can see the padding around the ankles, which will give more support during the landing. Nice jet black laces with a Nike tick in a metallic gray color. This circular outer sole pattern will add more flexibility to the shoes. So overall, a very comfortable and very nice shoe for the basketball players. It's very light. So here you can see the material as well. On a closer look, you can see the material is somewhat suede. And here you can see textured textile as well. So it's a combination of suede and textile. The sides are very comfortable, which will give enough support to your ankle. A rubber sole, a wavy pattern designed from the outer sole for perfect grip, and Air logo at the bottom. Here you can see the air pocket, which is visible and see-through from both sides. So overall, a very light, very aerodynamic designed shoe for perfect grip for the basketball players. So this is Nike Air Versitile 4. Let's have a closer look. So overall, it's a very lightweight basketball shoe in a very beautiful black color. So the price range of this basketball shoe Nike Air Versitile 4 is around 100 to 120 US dollars. Hope you like this video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.